Voxme Digital Inventory. First steps to unlimited opportunities.
Replacing a handwritten inventory with a digital one in PDF format. The goal is achieved by using the Voxme Digital Inventory app. During the explanation, we highlight how the data entered in the app is reflected in the final inventory document.
First step. Using bingo.voxme.com to create a job and install inventory app on a device.
Go to the browser on a mobile device and open bingo.voxme.com. Enter username and password. Create a job. Here you enter client details and your job reference number. These details are reflected in the inventory PDF header. Tap on Dispatch and then tap on the link to open the app on the device. Follow step 1 to install it. Don't open the app after the installation. Just come back to the job download page and follow step 2. App is ready to use.
Digital inventory. Key elements of using the app. Second step. Entering the package number and its contents.
After you see the job in the app, tap on it, and then tap on 3 boxes at the bottom. Here is package number 1, which contains 2 chairs. Tap on plus to create the first package. Enter chair. Tap on the chair. Indicate quantity of 2. This is how package number 1 will look in the inventory PDF.
Third step. Power options, cloning, handling item parts.
Here is the cupboard. We need to disassemble it for packing and transportation. Create package number 2. Add item to content. Find cupboard. Tick part of item. And we see it listed as part of cupboard in the PDF. Clone this package, and now in the inventory PDF we see 2 identical packages with different numbers.
Third step. Adding a new item to the master list of items.
Say, we want to add an item that is not on the list. Tap on Add New Item. Tap on plus. Spell out the desired item name. In our case it is screws. Tap on Label and see the result in the inventory PDF.
Fourth step. Electronic appliances.
We write down appliance details of the microwave before packing. Add new package. Tap to add item and enter microwave. Tap on the microwave. Enter the details. Make sure all item details are entered correctly prior to packing it, and now see how it appears in the inventory PDF.
Fifth step. Capturing pre-existing item damages.
We see a table with damage in the upper left corner. Before packing, add an item. Choose Table. Tap on Add Conditions and tick Applicable Conditions. Tap on Add Locations and tick Applicable Damage Locations. Look at the result. Take a photo of the damaged item in the inventory app. See how it appears on the detail screen. We pack this item and return to the inventory summary screen.
Sixth step. Sign and send.
Tap on the share icon at the bottom. Click on the Pickup Summary button to review the document before signing. Sign. Tap on Share. Tap on the cloud, return to this job in the portal, and we see the signed inventory PDF there.
As Lao Tzu said, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step.